In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off razor blade split mode in CapCut. If you've clicked the razor blade and your cursor turned into a cutting tool, don't worry, getting back to normal is quick and easy. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can edit without accidental cuts. First, open CapCut. Give the editor a moment to load so all the tools and panels are ready. You'll see your main workspace with the preview window, the media panel, and the timeline at the bottom where you do most of your editing. Next, add your video to the project so you can see how the mode behaves on an actual clip. Once your video is in the timeline, it's easier to recognize what tool you're currently using and how it affects your edit. Now, if you press Split Mode, the tool that looks like a razor blade, you'll enable CapCut's cutting tool. This is useful when you want to slice your clip at specific points, but it can be frustrating if you leave it on by mistake. The moment you activate it, watch your cursor. The cursor will change to a blade-style icon, signaling that every click on the timeline will split your clip at the playhead or wherever you click. That visual change is your indicator that you're in split mode. To turn off razor blade split mode and return to normal editing, simply press the A key on your keyboard. That's the shortcut for the arrow, or selection tool. Press A once, and your cursor should switch back to the standard arrow, which means you're out of split mode and back to selecting, moving, and trimming clips without cutting them. If the cursor doesn't change right away, click once on the timeline to make sure it's active, and then press A again. Keyboard shortcuts work when the timeline or editor panel is in focus, so a quick click there usually resolves it. Also, if you've customized shortcuts in your settings, confirm that A is still assigned to the selection tool. A quick recap. Open CapCut, add your video to the timeline, and if you've clicked the split tool and the cursor turned into a blade, press A to switch back. Keep an eye on the cursor icon. It's the fastest way to confirm which tool you're using. Once you're back on the arrow, you can continue arranging clips, adjusting timing, and making clean edits without accidental splits. That's all you need to confidently turn off razor blade split mode in CapCut. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.